When you are sitting in a silent room and suddenly your tummy makes this sound. So when you are hungry, your stomach contracts and creates these hunger cramps known as migratory motor complex. And when this contraction happen on an empty stomach, they create these borbogmy sounds. These contractions are really helpful for your tummy to prepare for the next meal, and they can start after 90 to 110 minutes since you had your last meal. So let's learn more about the different types of movement in your gut. So, after you swallow your food, the primary contraction responsible for the movement of food from your mouth to your tummy via esophagus is known as primary peristalsis. Secondary peristalsis occur when there is remnant of food that is stuck in your esophagus for a long time. The muscles of the esophagus contract more harder, allowing it to clear out the remnant of the food stuck in the esophagus, helps cleaning in esophagus. The tertiary peristalsis is completely abnormal and pathological because the movements are unsynchronized and they do not help in proportion of the food. It can be seen in conditions like diffuse esophageal spasm. Apart from that, there are basal movements that are constantly present throughout the gut, known as basal electrical rhythm, which is under the control of the pacemaker cells of the gut known as interstitial cells of Cajal. They are present throughout the gut, but maximum in duodenum, which is 12 per minute, and minimum in cecum, which is 2 per minute. In this endoscopic video, you can appreciate the peristaltic movement of the gastroduodenal junction. Peristalsis can be stimulated more by ions like calcium and barium, neurotransmitters like acetylcholine and histamine, hormones like serotonin and nicotine, and also drugs like erythromycin, which will stimulate MO cells, which will secrete motilin, which can even lead to diarrhea. And peristalsis can be slowed down by hormones like epinephrine and norepinephrine, and anticholinergics like atropine. Thank you so much.